All right, so we're gonna do some back testing here. I'm normally, well, I used to do back testing on TradingView, but since I'm trading on the 1 minute, you don't really have that much data. Then I also did have Forex Tester 5, which is pretty good for testing, but it's a bit clunky but I've been liking FX Replay. So yeah, let's just open up a session here. Let's just 100,000. Let's go gold. Then my session, let's do February. Let's start from the 30th at 4, which is my trading time here. And then, so February, and then go to, let's go to the 28th. And then strategy, my main one. So this is February, XAU, and then save. So it saves, and then, yeah, you just go hit continue, and then it'll load up your chart. Takes a minute here. That took a good little bit to load there. So yeah, this is, I actually have to change my time here, which is to Denver, and then I gotta change indicator time to here, and to here. So just fast forward this to my session, which is right here. So what happens is I get on, oh, yeah, so yeah, my session is right here. I thought I fast forward. So I go forward, 515. So I get on the chart, see what I'm looking at for a structure. Here, I zoom out a bit. All right, so see my structural low, structure play out somewhere. Breaks, okay, low, break. All right, break, break. I just like watch structure, how it's to get it mapped out here. And then we get this low, created this high. So we got to change the character right here to the downside. Just gonna mark that as a BOS on M5. And looks like we came up to tap into this supply right here. All right, so now we got our bias. And now we look at this time frame. So it looks like we got a BOS to the top side here. See what happens. We're looking for this break for the sells. So we broke up there. Let's see here. Let's just fast forward this. So my structural point I'm looking at, the break for the sells is right here. It broke. The cause was right here. And then the extreme I'm looking at is around here. So I'll take this trade right here. Place order. I gotta sell stop it. 0.5%. Break even at 1 hour. Okay, let's see here. What happened? See what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Oh, okay, hit break even. So stops to break even. TP1 at 2R. Let's see if it hits. Let's see if it break even. Yeah, break even on that one. So, oh, yeah. So let's go to the next day. So next day is 2, 3. Right here at 6:15. So same thing. I get on the chart. I see this break a structure down right here, followed by this breaker structure up. And then I see an M5 demand right here. So then I got my bias, then I look for the buys. So my structure I'm looking to break right now is that. So it broke, then my only supply I see is right here. So it broke again. You can move this supply up, take this, and you can set an order limit right here. Place order, limit. And then let's see what happens. Place a bit slower here. Okay, we got another break. So that's canceled. That's canceled. Because we got this break here. And we got a little break there. So my new order is essentially going to be right here. So place order, buy limit. Same thing, break even at 1 hour. Okay, so we broke new structure. See, this is where it gets in a gray area. This is kind of like a one candle pullback. And yeah, so taking this, you could look at this as a BOS right here to take. So in that case, let's take it. Let's go place order, market, buy. Same thing. See what happens here, guys. So we're in the position right there. So break even at 1 hour. Let's see what happens, guys. So we're at break even, and then TP1 at 2 hour. See what happens here. Oh, almost break even. Not quite. Mid-ranging. Oh, there it is. So close 50%. And then close the rest at 3 hour if it gets there. Big retracement. You could move stops to in profit. So there's, it closed out. It's not to win. So move on to the next day. Actually, I don't need to change the time frame. I can just go fast forward it. So I'll go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15. All right, this is Wednesday. This is a news day. So I'm actually just going to toss on the news real quick. United States. Economic calendar. High impact, high impact. So now you got the news. So now I saw the same thing. No breaker structure. So that's the break. No breaker structure there. So we tapped into this demand. We actually liquidated it and then pushed up. So I'm looking for these buys on my bias time frame. Keep in mind that there's news happening. So same thing with, okay, we got that break. Now we got a demand zone. Place order here, like that. All right, see what happens here, guys. Oh, I didn't even place my order. Whoops. So we got a new breaker structure here. There's a new demand zone here. So we're actually going to place the order this time, a limit. And then let's see what plays out. So break even at 1 hour, same thing. Break even at 1 hour. This is S&D, we took the trade off. See what happens if we get stopped out. So we got stopped out on that one. Okay, 500. So yeah, so we got stopped out. Let's just see how the market goes here. Keep playing this. All right, so move on to the next day. Keep going. So that's 4, 5, 6, 15, 5 minute. See what's happening. Looks like we're tapping into this demand area that caused the break of these highs. And we tapped into this demand that caused the break of these highs. Then tapped into this demand right here. That broke these highs right here. So we're looking for buys until our higher low is broken. So reset chart. Let's see what I'm looking at here. Break, break. So essentially, looks like to me on this time frame, it reacted to something in here, obviously, because we got the down move. Then we reacted to something here because we got the down move. So I'm just going to see what this plays out. And then my M1 structural points I'm looking at, it's kind of a wide range right now, but these are my M1 structural points. So it doesn't really look like it's M5. See if M5 closes under. It did. So now we're looking for the shorts. So now my range I'm looking for the shorts in on M1 is currently wherever the retracement happens. I don't know where, but we have a supply zone essentially here. So that's my supply zone entry. So let's see what oh, we got a new break structure here. So that's the new entry. So I'm just actually gonna do this real quick. I kind of replayed that too fast, guys. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm trying to go at a decent speed for you guys to see. But if I was actually doing this for myself, I'd be going a bit slower just to get the feeling of like not messing up, really getting my stuff down in stone. All right, so we just around the market here. So yeah, so that was our sell limit we had with our sell with the demand zone that we're looking at. So now we get an we finally get the close under all this. We got wicking, and we finally got the close. So we finally broke under all this price when we got the close. So we keep watching price. Oh, another breakdown right here. Delete this supply zone, move it to here. Then you cancel this order. Place a new order, the sell limit. Oh, whoops. Place order here. Place order, sell limit. So that's the new order based on structure on M1 and M5. So we get tagged in, same thing. I don't know if this is going to lose, but I really wanted to do this in one streamless recording. But I went a little bit fast, so let's see what happens here if it gets stopped out or not. Okay, so that was a bit worrisome, but that's break even. Move this to 2R for TP1. See if this goes, or if we hit break even. I have no, oh. So let's actually close this 50%. and then let the rest run. See what happens here, guys. Fast forward, full speed. All right, so full TP there. So there's one more day of the week. I'm just gonna test one day here, and I haven't tested this on gold yet, actually. So that's why I'm doing this on video. I just might as well make a video on when I'm testing, so you guys can see the videos or what I'm doing. So go 5, 6, fast forward this 15. Is this the right time? But yeah, fast forward. All right, same thing. Go to my M5, see what's. Ooh, look at that drop. Holy smokes, guys! Look at that. 14R. If I held that. 14. That's insane. But that's not part of my plan. Anyways, so let's see structure. So we finally broke under. So my structural high right here. We broke. So we got a demand about here. Didn't really get a clean test of a supply, really. I mean, we did. That's like kind of this. Demand. That's a test of the supply. That's kind of the demand that broke. But so yeah, I'm looking for buys on M5. Anyways, until this low right here, because that's my M5 structural overall low. This structure point is just inside structure. So I'm just gonna fast forward this. Oh, all right. So we get that break there. Then we get a liquidation. Then we get a BOS. So the entry would be. I don't want to fast forward this again, guys. So I'm just gonna market order this for a poor entry. So yeah, that was a loss. As you can tell, there is big news. But yeah, so that's the end of the week, plus 1,500. So that's not too bad for 1 week. And then if you want to look at the analytics, yeah, 1.55%, risking 0.5% on that account. So if I was risking 1%, I'd be up 3% for the week, which is pretty good. Total of 5 trades, 60%. 2 losses, 3 wins. And then you can see on Monday, break even. Tuesday, win. Wednesday, loss. Thursday, win. Friday, loss. Yeah, so that's about it for my back testing. And then my overall, 66%, 71 days, 17% in risking 0.5%. And I still have 2 weeks to test on this one still, and pretty much 3 weeks on this one. So that'll probably bring me up close to like maybe the 25% range over 90, 100 days. So that's not too bad. It's like nearing 10% a month, risking 0.5%. It's close. Yeah, but that's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.